Last week I tried something strange. Instead of using 5 different AI tools like I normally do, I used just one platform for everything. Image creation, cinematic video generation, different video styles, even cross-testing different AI models. And the result honestly surprised me, because in less than 3 minutes, I created a stylized image, turned it into a cinematic scene, and then generated a completely different version of the same scene using another video model, all inside one place. The platform is called WeryAI, and today I want to show you exactly how it works, how these models compare, and whether it actually saves time for creators. But first, let me show you what happened when I started with a simple idea. Most AI creators run into the same problem. You want to generate an image, so you open one app. Then you want to animate that image, so you open another app. Then you want a different video style. Now you are switching tools again. It becomes messy and slow. WeryAI solves that problem by putting multiple AI models inside one platform. Instead of switching between different apps, you get access to video models like Veo 3.1, Sora 2, Seedance, and Runway, along with image generators like Nano Banana 2, all inside one workspace. So you can create images, generate videos, test different styles, and build full scenes without jumping between tools. And the best way to understand this is to actually test it. So here is what I did. I started inside WeryAI's image generator using Nano Banana 2. Nano Banana is designed to be fast, lightweight, and really good at stylized images. For my test, I wrote a simple prompt. A tiny astronaut cat is standing on the moon looking at Earth in the distance. Cinematic lighting, dreamlike style. I selected the image size and clicked Generate, and within seconds, Nano Banana produced a clean, stylized image that looked like something from an animated movie. The lighting looked soft and cinematic. The cat design stayed consistent, and the moon's surface had a lot more detail than I expected from such a fast generator. But the real goal was not just creating an image. I wanted to bring this scene to life. So the next step was turning this image into a video. Inside the same platform, I switched to the Veo 3.1 video model. Veo is known for creating cinematic quality videos and following prompts very accurately. Instead of starting from scratch, I uploaded the image we just created. Then I wrote a motion prompt. The astronaut kitten slowly walks across the moon, small paw prints appear in the dust, the Earth glows in the background while the camera slowly moves sideways. After selecting the duration and resolution, I clicked Generate. And this is where things got interesting. The video did not just animate randomly. The movement looked natural, the camera motion felt cinematic, and the character stayed very consistent between frames, which is something many AI tools struggle with. At this point, we already had a short cinematic clip created from a single image. But I wanted to test something else. What happens when the same scene is generated using a different AI model? So next I ran the same idea through Sora 2, which is another video model available inside WeryAI. Sora is known for strong scene generation and longer video sequences. Instead of uploading the image this time, I used the same prompt directly as a text-to-video request. A small astronaut kitten walking on the moon, leaving paw prints behind, with Earth glowing in the background. After generating the video, the difference was immediately noticeable. The Veo version looked more cinematic, like a camera shot from a movie. The Sora version felt more like a full scene, with slightly wider motion and environment detail. Both looked good, but they had different styles. And that is actually one of the coolest things about WeryAI. You can test different AI models for the same idea without leaving the platform. So instead of guessing which tool works best, you can simply generate multiple versions and pick the one you like most. For creators making YouTube videos, ads, or social media content, that flexibility is extremely useful. After testing these models, one thing became very clear. The biggest advantage of WeryAI is workflow simplicity. Instead of using one app for images, another for video, and another for editing, everything happens inside the same dashboard. You can generate an image with Nano Banana, animate it with Veo, test a different scene using Sora, and experiment with other models like Runway or Seedance if you want a different style. All without switching tools. For creators who produce a lot of content, this saves a surprising amount of time. If you want to try WeryAI yourself, check the link in the description. New users get 20 free credits when signing up, so you can test the models right away. And if you decide to upgrade, there is also 50% off the annual subscription right now. So it is a good time to experiment with the platform. Also, let me know in the comments, which video looked better to you? The VO cinematic version or the Sora scene version? I am curious which style you would use for your own projects. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.